You know why I'm happy? Because I love my aunt. That's right. That's right. Tell Aunt Diana, who's your favorite aunt? Who's your favorite aunt? You see this, Aunt Diana? Who is your favorite aunt? Who makes you happy? Who makes you so happy? Who makes you so happy? Hi. Daddy's girl? I don't think so. I don't think so. You need a new bib. Let's cover that up. Let's cover that up. Whose girl? Whose girl are you? Can you say Titi? Say Titi. Say Titi. What can you say? What will you say? Who's my baby girl? Who's the baby girl? You're a good girl.